welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace and my channel's name is Graycylyn. If you're tuning for the first time, you are welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to properly use your vitamin C serum so that it works excellently for you. Let's jump right into the video. The first reason is the format as to which you're using the vitamin C serum. So the first thing you do in your skincare routine is to cleanse your face. Afterwards, you tone your face. Afterwards, you use your serum and you use your moisturizer, and then during the day you follow up with your sunscreen. So when you use your moisturizer before your vitamin C serum, it could affect the rate at which the vitamin C serum penetrates into your skin. Because when it comes to skincare, you move from the lightest to the heaviest. And usually the lightest is your cleanser, followed by your toner, which is very liquidy, and then your serum, which has a higher consistency, your moisturizer, which is a bit thicker, and then your sunscreen, which is like a layer of covering. If you use your vitamin C serum after you've used your sunscreen, it's obviously not going to work. If you use your vitamin C serum after your moisturizer, it's obviously not going to work. So you have to follow the right format. The next reason is you are not allowing products seep into your skin. In my opinion, you're meant to leave about 1 minute post application. So when you apply your toner, you wait a minute, 30 seconds to about 60 seconds before you apply the next product. This is to allow enough time for the product to penetrate into your skin. So if you just apply, you're rushing and you apply your toner, you've applied your serum, everything is just mixed together. The serum has not had enough time to seep into your skin. The next reason is that you're combining it with the wrong ingredients. When it comes to vitamin C, there are certain products that could reduce its efficacy, and there are certain products that could boost its efficacy. Now, example of products that could boost its efficacy includes tyrosine and zinc. These two ingredients, when added to a vitamin C serum, boost its efficacy. Now, when you combine your vitamin C with products that have beta hydroxy acid or alpha hydroxy acid, which are your BHAs and AHAs, baby, they bring down the efficacy. They kind of make it ineffective. So you have to look at your products. Do they have alpha hydroxy acid in it, or do they have beta hydroxy acid in it? Your toners, your cleanser, these are the things that could make or break the efficacy of your vitamin C serum. The next thing to consider is oxidation. You have to look at your vitamin C serum. Usually it is transparent, usually. So if your vitamin C you got from a period of time changes from a clear color to a yellowish color, it has oxidized. When you use a vitamin C serum that has oxidized, the strength, the efficacy, the boost has reduced from, let's say, 100 to about 20%. It can't give you the same results that 100% vitamin C serum would give you. So you have to know this. You have to look at the ingredients that you're applying to your face. You also have to look at the shelf life of your vitamin C. Some people buy vitamin C's that are 3 years old or 2 years old. Like I said, the efficacy of vitamin C drops over a period of time. Usually the shelf life of vitamin C is about 3 to 6 months. So you have to use your product between 3 to 6 months, because from 6 months it starts dropping and gets oxidized, and you use the vitamin C and it wouldn't work for you. So you have to know this. You have to check the manufacturing date. When was this particular serum manufactured, and what's the time of me buying this product? The shelf life of vitamin C isn't the strongest, so you have to look at these things. The next thing is that you're not exfoliating your face properly or effectively. One of the reasons your products in general may not work for you is because you have a lot of dead skin layer on your face. Now, I'm not saying you should be over exfoliating your face. I'm just saying that you should, for me in particular, I feel like you're supposed to exfoliate your face like 2 times a week. This is good enough for products to seep properly into your skin and be effective. If you have clogged pores, what happens is that this vitamin C serum gets into your skin. It just hangs there. It's like a layer that it just hangs there and evaporates. It doesn't seep into your skin, and it doesn't give you the effect of the vitamin C, and the radiance doesn't come through, and you will say your vitamin C is not working. But the thing is, you're not exfoliating properly. So some of the good exfoliants are AHAs and BHAs. So what you do is that days when you're using your AHAs and BHAs, you don't use your vitamin C serum. You can use your vitamin C serum during the day and use your BHAs, AHAs, and retinols at night, because these particular products would affect your vitamin C, but you have to exfoliate your face. So you have to understand these products and make sure you're using them properly so you get the full effect. I also want to say this, that if you're the type that exfoliates as often as I do, you do have to go in with a sunscreen. Sunscreens are super important because they give you a screen, a layer to protect you from the UV rays and sun rays. I have made a video concerning sunscreens. You should check it out. If you're melanin skin babes like me, please do check it out and get to know which is great for your skin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know that thing you do to make your vitamin C serum more effective on your skin, so that we can help one or two sisters out in the comment section. Bye.